teach CBSE 10th Maths. Hey guys, this is Tina. I teach CBSE 8th Maths. Check out our videos on the playlist. Alright, now let's get into the video.
Today we are going to be learning Chapter 13, Surface Areas and Volume, Exercise 13.1, first question. So we are starting off with a new chapter, that is Chapter 13, Surface Areas and Volume. Okay, so this is all about figures, shapes and about formulas. Okay, so we are supposed to learn a lot of formula. Please never forget to learn that. After learning that only you will be able to solve the questions. Okay. Two cubes each of volume 64 cm cube are joined end to end. Find the surface area of the resulting cuboid. So there are two cubes. Okay, so I'll just underline it. So there are two cubes. So what is a cube? So here you see this figure, right? So this is the cube. Okay, for example, if you see dice of the Ludo, so we can just call it as cube. Am I right? Okay, so this is a cube. So what is the speciality of this particular cube? So you guys don't know one thing, I guess. So for example, I'll draw a cube right over here. Okay, so you're supposed to draw a cube like this. If you don't know how to draw, you can just write it like draw it like this. Okay, so this is a cube. Okay, so what is the speciality of this cube? So for example, if I say length of the cube, okay, so length of the cube is 6 cm. Okay, if I say, so what is the length? So this is a length, we call it as length. Am I right? So if I say this length of the cube is 6 cm, then even the breadth, this is breadth. Am I right? So even the breadth is 6 cm and even the height, this is height. Okay, so even the height is 6 cm. You guys might be wondering how. Why? Because this is the main speciality of the cube. Okay, so in case if they mention the breadth of the cube means if they mention the breadth of the cube is 10 cm, then we can easily find the length as well as height. So we can just write 10 cm for length as well as height. Okay, so all the measurements are same, equal in cube. Okay, so that is the speciality of cube. Okay guys, so now here there are two cubes, but here you can see a single cube. Am I right? Each of volume 64 cm cube are joined end to end. So what is joined end to end? So here they mention two cubes. Am I right? So this is really important, please concentrate. So they mention two cubes. So the two cubes are joined end to end. Okay, so I am supposed to draw another one cube joined to this particular cube. How means I'll just draw it. Okay, so I'll just draw it with red color, then only it will be easy to identify it. Okay, though it seems bad, no, it will be easy for you guys to understand. Okay, so I'm gonna draw it with red color. So we are supposed to draw something like this. Okay, and then here let us draw one more line. I am just teaching you guys how to draw it. Why? Because you're supposed to draw it on the exam. Why? Because in this chapter we are supposed to draw all the figures. Okay, so here and join this like this. Okay, so please join it like this. Okay, one second. Yeah, so join it like this. So you're supposed to draw a box attached to this particular cube. Okay, so now what I am supposed to do is, here one edge is there, no? So I am supposed to draw another one line. So bigger to compared to this line, no, I am supposed to draw a bigger line. Okay, then only it will be easy. Okay, and then here one edge is there, no? You are supposed to draw a line here as well. Okay, please try to understand, then only you will understand. Then only you will be able to draw the figure. Okay, and then join this particular line. Okay, so now we got somewhat figure similar to this figure. Right? So we are supposed to join here like this, and then here like this, and that's all, I guess. Yeah, so now we got a cuboid. How means so here we can see red color, right? So here this is a cube, this is also a cube, so separate. Okay, so here which one? Yeah, this is the midline. Okay, so it is separately, we can just separate it. Am I right? So this is a cube and this is also a cube. Okay, so now they mentioned the 2 cubes. So these are 2 cubes, right? So completely, what is the figure? Completely it is a cuboid. Am I right? So cuboid looks something like this. Am I right? So cuboid means I'll draw it here. Okay. So cuboid is in this shape, like a rectangle. Cube means it is in a square shape. Okay, you can just see the difference. Okay, so this is a cuboid. Cuboid is in a rectangle shape and cube is in a square shape. Okay. Okay, so now we got a cuboid. Am I right? Together. Okay, if you just see the complete figure, now it is a cuboid. Am I right? So okay, so now do you guys think that this cuboid is like a brick which we used to build our house? Am I right? So it is like a brick. You can just think it is a brick. Brick is a cuboid, right? Why? Because it is in the rectangle shape. So this is a brick. If you wanna see the difference, no, this is a brick. This complete figure is a brick. Okay. So now, first of all, now let us write the value. So here, since you guys know volume, they have already mentioned the volume. Okay, so since they had mentioned the volume, it's going to be easy for you guys. Okay, okay, so now let us write volume of the cube. Okay, so here they mentioned the volume of cube. How? Because here they mentioned 2 cubes each. Okay, each means in the 2 cubes, no, each cube of volume 64 centimeter cube. Okay, like that we are supposed to find. So what is the volume of cube? They had already mentioned the volume of cube, that is 64 centimeter cube. Okay, so now what is the volume of cube? What is the formula? So here if I wrote volume of the cube, am I right? Volume of the cube means you are supposed to write the formula right now. So the formula is a cube. Okay, this is a formula you are supposed to learn, and we can write 64 as it is. Okay, centimeter cube, no need to mention right now. At the last, no, we can just mention it. Okay. Okay, so now we got a cube is equal to 64. Okay, so now what I am going to do is I am going to be taking factors of this 64. How to take factors? Like this, we are supposed to take the factors. Am I right? So let us take the factors of 64. So you can use 2 table. Okay, 3 2s are 6 and 2 2s are 4. 2 table, 1 2 is 2, remaining 1, 6 2s are 12 and 2, 8 2s are 16 and 2, and 4 2s are 8, again 2, then 2 2s are 4, so, and again 2, then 1 2 is 2. Okay, so this is how we supposed to find the factors. So how many 2s we got? So totally we got 1 2 3 4 5 6. We got 6 2. Okay, so now we got 6 2. Okay, so instead of writing 2 into 2 into 2 into 2, no, we can just write 2 power 6. Okay, so I'm going to be writing a cube is equal to 2 power 6. We can write it like this. Am I right? So I just wrote this one. Instead of writing 64, I am writing 2 power 6. Okay, so now I have a cube here and 2 power 6 here. Am I right? Can I just cancel it in 3 table? Of course. So 1 3 is 3 and 3 2s are 6. So now a is equal to, so here we have square. So 2 square. What is 2 square? 2 square is equal to 4. Okay. Okay, so now we got a is equal to 4. Okay, that means for cube, no, so here we just call this part. So okay, so here for cube, no, a is equal to 4 means here we can say this is 4, this length. Okay, so we call it as length. Am I right? So for cube, no, this is 4 centimeter. Okay. Okay, so now since you guys know, if we know a single measurement, so here the length is 4 centimeter, am I right? Then what about height? Then height is also 4 centimeter. Then what about breadth? Breadth is also 4 centimeter. Why? Because I told you guys that is the speciality of cube. Okay. So now this is a measurement of cube. Am I right? What about cuboid? So we are supposed to find the surface area of cuboid, right? So we are supposed to find the values for cuboid, not for cube. Am I right? So we know that this part, this single line is 4 centimeter. Am I right? So what is the cuboid here? The complete figure is cuboid. Here we know the half of the figure, we know the measurement for half of the figure. So that is this figure. Okay. So we don't know this figure measurement. So here it is 4 means then here this line, no, it will be 4. Am I right? Why? Because this is also a cube. Am I right? So when we just separate it, both are cube. So this is also 4 centimeter. Okay, so since this is a 4 centimeter, so whenever we want to find the length of cuboid means the complete figure. Okay, so when we want to find the length for the complete figure, that is cuboid, then we are supposed to add 4 plus 4. So what is 4 plus 4? So 4 plus 4 is 8. Then what is the length of the cuboid? So cuboid length is 8 centimeter. You guys might be wondering what about height and what about this one, breadth. So here no, height and breadth, no, it will be same only, 4 centimeter. Only for length it will change. Why? Because here we have 2 cubes, right? So here for a single cube we know the value, that is 4 centimeter. Then we are supposed to add 4 centimeter plus 4 centimeter, then we will get 8 centimeter. If you don't just understand, no worries at all. I'll just teach you again. Okay. Okay, to understand that, now let us draw the figure again here, then only you will understand. Okay. So I'm not going to use scale right now. Okay, I'm going to draw a rough figure. Okay. So we are supposed to draw cube, something like this. Okay, so I'm just drawing like this. Now you can just practice how to draw cube. Okay. So like this. Okay. So cube something like this. Am I right? Okay. So now since you guys know this is a cube, so we are supposed to make it as cuboid. Okay. I am just doing it a little bit dark. Okay. Okay. So now we got a cuboid. Am I right? This is a cuboid. I guess you can't see it once again. Yeah, now you can see it, right? Yeah, of course. Okay, now we got a cuboid. Am I right? So here, one second. Okay, so now we got a cuboid. Okay, since you guys know the length, so the length of a cube. Okay, so this is a cube. Okay, so this particular thing, it is a cube. Then only you'll understand if I write it like this. This is a cube. Okay, so cube, and then the complete figure is a cuboid. Okay, like this I'm writing. Okay, I guess you can understand. Yeah, so cuboid. Okay. Okay, now since you guys know this is 4 centimeter, then here so here if it is a 4 centimeter, then here also it will be 4 centimeter, right? Why? Because we know the value of length of cube. So this is also a cube, this is also a cube. So here also it will be 4 centimeter. Okay, so what about breadth? So breadth is also 4 centimeter. And what about height? Height is also 4 centimeter. Okay. Okay, so now we are supposed to find the measurement for cuboid. Okay, why? Because we are supposed to find the surface area of cuboid. Okay, so what is the measurement for cuboid? So for cuboid, we need length, breadth, and height. Okay, so these are the things we need. Okay, so what is length? So we call this part is. So now we are supposed to find the complete thing. So I mean cuboid. So cuboid means this complete whole figure. I'll just mark it like this, then you'll understand. Okay. So I'm just marking it now. No. So this is representing the complete figure. So this complete figure we are supposed to find. Complete figure. What is it? Complete figure's name? The complete figure is a cuboid. So what is the length of the cuboid? So here, since you guys can see, here it is 4 centimeter. Here it is 4 centimeter. How to find the length of the complete figure? How means we are supposed to add 4 plus 4. Okay, why? Because here it is 4 and here also it is 4. So let us add 4 plus 4. So what is 4 plus 4? 4 plus 4 is 8. So it is 8 centimeter. Okay, and what is the breadth? So here one more thing I would like to say, only for length it will be like this. Okay, for breadth and all the same centimeter, that is 4 centimeter. Okay, so no need to worry. Why? Because here you can see we don't have something separate like this. Here this is the height for the complete figure. Am I right? So this is the height for complete figure. Here also if you see, this is the height for the complete figure. So no change at all. Okay, so here all the height will be 4 centimeters. So no problem. Okay, only for length it will change. Okay, so remember that. So breadth is also 4 centimeter. So breadth is also 4 centimeter and height is also 4 centimeter. Okay, so remember only for length it will change. Why? Because we have like this separately. Okay, so now what are we supposed to find? Actually we are supposed to find the surface area of resulting cuboid. So now we got a cuboid. Am I right? After drawing one more cube, I got a cuboid. That is the meaning of resulting cuboid. So I am supposed to find the surface area of resulting cuboid. So let me write surface area of cuboid. So what is the formula, guys? So here only we are supposed to apply the formula. Please learn the formula. So the formula is 2 bracket L into B plus B into H plus H into L. Am I right? Yeah. Okay. So now we are supposed to substitute the value. So 2, let us keep it outside. In bracket, let us write. So what is the L value? L is 8 centimeter and here it is L into B. Am I right? It is in multiplication. So into B. B is 4 centimeter and here it is plus. Okay. So B is 4 centimeter into, so here it is B into H, right? So into, and H is also 4 centimeter plus what is H? So here H again it is 4 centimeter. So for the whole formula we are going to be using these values only. So no worries. Okay, and H into L, right? So already we wrote the H value. So into, what is the L? L is 8 centimeter. Okay, so now let us solve it. Okay, so now we can write 2 into, so what is 8 4s are? So 8 4s is 32. Am I right? 32 and plus, and then we have 4 4s are, that is 16, and then it is 4 into 4. Okay, so 4 into 4 is 16 and 8 4s are, again it is 32 and bracket close the bracket and 2 bracket. So now 32 plus 16 plus 32. So I guess it is 80. So let us check it out. We are supposed to check each and everything, then only we will be able to find. Okay, why? Because in maths we are supposed to check the numbers again and again. Okay, so 6 7 8 9 10, then 9 10, right? Okay, 1 3 4 6 7 8. Okay, so 80 only, so no problem. Okay, so now we got 80. Okay, now since it is in bracket, it is into, right? So 80 into 2. So what is 80 into 2? So 80 into 2 is 160. We are supposed to write centimeter cube or centimeter square. So we are supposed to write the unit. Okay, so please guys never forget to write the unit. Why? Because they might so whoever is correcting your paper, no, if you don't just write the unit, they might reduce your mark. Okay, so please be careful on that. Okay, so now 80 into 2 is 160. So we are supposed to write centimeter square or centimeter cube. We are supposed to write centimeter square. Why? Because we found the surface area. Okay, centimeter square. So remember, whenever we want to find surface area, curved surface area, total surface area, no, we are supposed to write centimeter square. Okay, so only for volume we are supposed to write centimeter cube. Okay, so this is the answer. So it was pretty easy. So if you just understand the figure, no, you can just solve any questions in this particular chapter as well as the exercise. Okay, so you are supposed to draw the figure properly, then only you will be able to predict those things, I mean values. So here, since you guys know for cube it was 4 centimeter, so since we drew another one cube, no, now it became a cuboid. So 4 plus 4 is 8. Am I right? So just because 4 plus 4 is 8, now this complete length is 8 centimeter. Okay, So this is how we are supposed to find for cube and cubed. Okay, so sometimes in the place of, so I would like to show, so in the place of 64, no, they might ask you guys to solve two cubes each of volume 24 centimeter square, maybe square or centimeter cube. So you might get any type of questions, so please be careful. Okay, so please be aware of the starting question as well as the ending point. Okay, so you are supposed to read the question line by line. Okay, so if you wouldn't have noticed this two cubes, no, instead if you had read cubes each of volume 64 centimeter cube, no, then you would have drawn only one cube, am I right? If you don't just notice this two, then please just because of these things only you might score less marks. So please notice each and everything. Okay, so that's all for this video. So finally we solved and we got the answer as 160 centimeters square.
Thank you guys for watching this video. Please like this video, share it to your friends and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you have any doubt, comment me in the comment section. Catch you in the next video.